So over the last 10 years, I have learned how the elite have been able to build wealth. And for some reason, it just seems like their wealth just continues to multiply and it can never be touched. Folks, listen, we have been taught that we have to run our business out of LLCs. We've been taught that we've got to go get jobs, right? And make W-2 income. We've gone to accountants and we've been taught we've got to have an S Corp and a holding company and all these different solutions, right? What I have learned is that wealthy people, they have preserved their wealth because they have, number one, they don't generate any income. See, if you just think about what a taxable event actually is, it's when a person, right, somebody with the social security number generates income, whether that be from a job or you own a company and you end up receiving income, right? Because you own the thing. Nelson Rockefeller said, own nothing and control everything. It took me 10 years to figure out what he meant by that. And what he meant by that is they use private trusts and private entities to own all of their assets. Those entities don't have to pay taxes. And as long as the money stays within that entity when it is structured correctly, everything literally in your life becomes an expense. Because when you don't own anything, but an entity that can own a company and generate revenue and defer taxes and then use that money just like an LLC to pay all of its expenses, well, it's paying for the house you live in, it's paying for the car that you're driving, it's paying for your kids' education. The whole purpose of a trust is for the heirs, for the beneficiaries. Go figure. These families all have contracts in place to protect themselves and their legacies. And then we're taught how to go get government contracts and to operate our business with Big Brother looking into everything that we do. You need to have a private estate. That private estate can own your LLC. It can own your partnerships in other businesses like S Corps. There are many, many things that you can do by structuring a private estate with a life insurance policy that's structured correctly to where now you can take all of the profit before you pay expenses. You can purchase life insurance, which builds equity for your family. Can you imagine if your cash flow in your business was purchasing personal death benefit for your family every month, every year? If you want to learn how to do this, click the link in my bio, give me a follow, and my team will teach you how.